Hello, gardeners! Harvesting zucchini at the right time is key for optimal flavor and continuous production. Today, I'll show you how to recognize when your zucchini is ready to pick and why regular harvesting is important. First, let's talk about identifying the right harvest size. Zucchini is ready for harvest when it's about 6 to 8 inches long. At this size, the squash is tender and flavorful, and the skin is still thin, perfect for slicing, cooking, or baking. Now, let's move on to harvesting techniques and tips. To harvest, use pruning shears or a sharp knife to avoid damaging the plant. Regular harvesting, ideally every few days, encourages the plant to keep producing and prevents the zucchini from growing too large and seedy. Why is regular harvesting so important? By picking mature zucchini consistently, you'll enjoy a continuous supply throughout the season and keep your plants focused on producing new fruits. Remember, harvesting at the right time and frequency ensures a flavorful, productive zucchini season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.